Greetings amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel. We are thrilled to have you here today because we've got an incredibly exciting and transformative topic that's going to help you take charge of your dreams and turn them into reality. That's right, we're diving deep into the roadmap to setting and crushing your goals, 8 actionable steps. So grab your notebooks, get ready to be inspired, and let's embark on this journey of empowerment and success. The very first step on your journey to success is defining your goals. Take some time to clearly outline what you want to achieve. Whether it's in your career, relationships, health, or personal development, having a crystal clear vision is the cornerstone of making your dreams come true. Now that you've got your goals in sight, let's move on to step 2, breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Breaking your goals into bite-sized pieces will make the journey less overwhelming and more achievable. Step 3 is all about setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This powerful framework gives your goals structure and focus, significantly increasing your chances of success. Alright, on to step 4, developing an action plan. This is where you outline the exact steps you need to take to reach each of your goals. Think of it as plotting your course on a treasure map to success. Step 5 is a game changer: consistency. Stick to your action plan like glue. Consistency is the secret sauce that transforms dreams into accomplishments. Stay dedicated, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Step 6 might be the toughest, but it's crucial. Embrace challenges. They're opportunities in disguise. When you face challenges head-on, you learn, grow, and become even stronger. Moving on to step 7, review and adjust. Regularly assess your progress. Celebrate your victories, learn from your setbacks, and adjust your action plan as needed. Remember, flexibility is the key to resilience. Last but not least, step 8, stay inspired. Surround yourself with positivity. Read books, listen to podcasts, connect with like-minded individuals. Do whatever keeps that fire of motivation burning bright. And there you have it, the roadmap to setting and crushing your goals, 8 actionable steps. Remember, your journey to success is unique, and these steps are your guide to make it happen. So, go out there and turn those dreams into your reality. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone who's ready to take their goals to the next level. Until next time, keep pushing, keep believing, and keep achieving. Go out there and turn those dreams into your reality. You've got the power within you to achieve greatness, and we believe in you wholeheartedly.